Get into the 2021 Dodge Challenger. With less than 15,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Drive with attitude in the uncompromising Challenger, the muscle car with a menacing stance and a fierce heart. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: navigation system, heated driver's seat, sun, moonroof, keyless entry, heated mirrors, 8-cylinder engine, backup camera, satellite radio, remote engine start, premium sound system. Take your lust for power to the next level. Drive the Challenger.